Those relationships that outwardly seem sincere but harbor conspiracies within. To stay safe from such people. Whether they're close relatives or distant ones, whoever they may be, recite, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. There's a practice with a verse from Surah Muzammil. Whoever keeps this verse in their regular recitation, after first giving its zakat, and then recites it, Allah will reveal to them those scheming relatives or business partners who outwardly treat them well but secretly try to harm them through conspiracies, whether they are involved in your business, your relationships, or any worldly matters. If you want to see their true face, if you want them to be exposed, if you want to be safe from their conspiracies, safe from their evil, then you should recite the 10th verse of Surah Muzammil, and be patient over what they say and avoid them with gracious avoidance. Quote, whoever recites the 10th verse of Surah Muzammil 41 times daily, between Asr and Maghrib prayers, 41 times, and when they complete 11 days of reciting it, then they should keep it to just 7 times regularly. Or, if there's no difficulty in reciting it more, if there are no problems, then continuing with 12 times is excellent. This verse is amazing. The benefit of this is that whenever they go into a business deal, or with partners, with relatives, and things are being discussed, decisions are being made, then they should keep this verse in their heart. Repeat the 10th verse of Surah Al-Hujurat in their heart. Read it in their heart, then God willing, through its blessings, there will be blessings in all their decisions, and the decisions will be in their favor, and those who are conspiring, trying to harm them, then God willing, they will be safe from their evil. Now, allow me to say goodbye and take good care of yourselves.